Hi friends, let me ask you a question, very important question is that what you are looking for. Actually, what is the purpose of life? That's a thing is there, but the mission, but what you are looking for. Are you looking, do you want to remain in peace and happiness? What you are working? What is your intention in your life? To becoming a better person? How you can become a better person? So let us start with peace. There is no way to peace. There is no way to happiness. Rather, happiness is the way by accepting whatever you have right now at your hand, you have to accept it and work. Work in your mind. Every day, God given you a deposit. When your morning begins, it's in a day, 24 hours, that means 400 minutes that has been deposited in your accounts every day. How you use it, that's very important. Be peaceful by accepting whatever you are having right now. And after that, you work. Work first, intention, what I say now. If you focus on being the person who will do the right thing, you can have anything you want. Keep it in mind. If you focus, actually, my purpose to life to be being a better human being. Okay, then whatever you do, everything will be better, everything will be good, and every good thing is going to happen in your life. Friend, this is our life. How we use it through our mind. That's very important. And so I say, for myself, I now take care of my body, my mind, and my emotion. I feel good. You need to feel good. Every day, every minute, every second, you have to keep working on investment. How you are depositing. You have to invest your time, your mind, your thought process. That's going to work. Let me say something. Difficulties is there. I know everybody has got their difficulties, right? So, but it not necessary. It's not necessary to be very angry or impatience or whatever. Reminded, you have difficulties, but you have courage. You have difficulties, you have courage. You have the wisdom to follow. Courage is what? Courage is to face your difficulties. You have to develop. And where you will find it? Here, in your mind. Courage is the power to face difficulties. It's come from the reserve of your mind, which is more important than any of your circumstances. Always you keep it. I am bigger than my difficulties. Nothing can harm me because my intention, my life purpose to remain to being a better human being, and I'm representing God to do something always good, right? When you recognize that you are bigger than when you recognize that you are bigger than your problem, you gain the courage necessary to overcome anything, to overcome your circumstances, right? So, and always remain. Your obstacles will look larger or small according to whether you are large or small. So every day we need to grow. Any way it's going, whatever is happening for the good. So get up early in the morning with excitement. आप जब सुबह उठते हो, कैसे उठते हो ना? हम जब बेड में जाते हैं, when you go to sleep in the night, I'm very excited that I will get up early in the morning. That's the thing I forget. Oh my God, tomorrow again, new day, it's coming, and I am happy to rise and in the early morning and to go and enjoy the day, the new day. That is my motto and excitement. And then I go and I pay the toll. Every day we need to pay the toll. What I am going to pay toll? The walking, the jogging, the thinking good, that's my toll I am paying. Then I coming back, I do all the fresh and positive mind. I program myself to remain for whole day, and I work according to my list. Today I am a free man. Today I am a free man. I am because I am happy. I am happy, and that's why I am free. And my purpose to help people. God has given me lots of things which I can share, and that is the thing we need to build. पहले खुद को बनाना है, खुद को अंदर में you have to program yourself, and that is your hand. If you are happy, if you are in peace, you will make your surroundings happy. आप पहले who will be, if you are not comfortable with yourself because you have anxiety, worry, lots of things, hatred, then you are not with peace with yourself. If you are not with peace and happy with yourself, then nobody will be happy with us. Learn to know yourself. That is very most important. आप जो सोचते हो क्यों सोचते हो, whatever you are doing, what you are doing, and accept आज जो हो रहा है, you are what you are because of what has gone into your mind. And you can change what you are and where you are by changing what goes into your mind, and it's your hand. All everything is in your hand. Anyway, life is going on, keep on. Life ऐसे भी जिंदगी जा रहा है, but where you are investing, किधर जा रहा है? You have lots of power, you have lots of good thing. Share it, be happy, and God will be happy with you. Thank you very much for the next thing.